The first time I heard the North Star statement, I was completely floored because in such a short space of time, with such a short statement, I felt that it applied to my whole life.
The North Star statement is that the Harm Reduction Coalition creates spaces for dialogue and action that help heal the harms of racialized drug policies.
I heard the North Star statement. I felt incredibly seen.
Un documento que habla directamente acerca del impacto del racismo.
North Star statement acknowledges the fact that the U.S. government made policies and laws to police and harm people of color.
The drug policies in America are deeply racist.
He's deeply racist.
And so we need to be able to accept that and understand that and not be scared of that.
The North Star statement recognizes that the war on people who use drugs is an intersectional issue.
The statement recognizes the need for action and it recognizes the need for healing.
I think it's really important to say it and to commit to it out loud.
I got really lucky because I have an immense amount of privilege and I have a lot of options and a lot of choices that didn't get taken away from me regardless of my drug use because of that privilege.
The North Star statement means to me is about giving back to the community.
In line with meeting people where they're at but not leaving them there, that means that we need to focus our energies on meeting those communities that have been marginalized, left aside, silenced.
Bringing people together and having a dialogue.
Not to only have dialogue, but the Harm Reduction Coalition to be one of the agencies to actually address the systemic issues that create the marginalizations and discriminations within our safe community.
The North Star statement is a commitment to change.
This may be hard for some of us to hear, but the harm reduction movement is not immune to institutional racism, no matter how allied we believe that we are.
The North Star statement is a promise on Harm Reduction Coalition's behalf
to undo these policies that grew out of a totally socially unjust racist background.
To keep a focus on how people of colour are most impacted by the war on drugs so that we can maintain that at the forefront of all the work that we do.
We're not just fighting to advance harm reduction interventions. We're fighting to address the root causes that lead people to be vulnerable to drug-related harms.
The North Star statement means to me that I work in an organization that has the commitment to address racism head-on.
It may also involve conflict, but we shouldn't shy away from that conflict. Without conflict, we can't grow.
The North Star statement is a way forward. It's hope. It's being acknowledged by the people that I work with and alongside in a way that I feel like I haven't ever been in any other movement. So I guess it means everything.